Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can find out if your Sony Xperia phone is original or fake. So let's have a look first with the IMEI number, because this is a unique number for each phone. So you go on dialer here, then you dial just *#06#, and then you will see the IMEI numbers of this phone. So as I said, it's unique, and I have two IMEI numbers because the Xperia 5 here is a dual SIM phone. And now you can open here this SIM tray, and here on the top of the SIM tray you see also IMEI numbers, and now you can compare these IMEI numbers with the IMEI numbers which one are shown now here on the display. And as well, if you want to be sure, you can also check here the IMEI numbers or the IMEI number on the box. No? So you can double check it and be sure. And if you solve that test first, the phone seems to be original. If you're not sure, let's come to the next test. This is a secret hidden code where you can find out the model number. So for that we have to dial *#*#, then 7378423 #*#*. So in here we will need the first point, the service info, and the very first point, model info. So, and here we see the model info is a bit small, but we see the model info. We have J9210, and we can double check it as well here on the box. And yes, this is the model we have. Okay, yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want, you can leave me maybe a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.